I'm going to put it on the board and you tell me if I actually need to do it. And if one person needs it, that is fine. I will do it for that one person.
Can you move everything equal to 0? Can you do that?
You can.
That's a 3.
I have a different way.
But there's a bunch of ways of doing this. The easiest one I have found, yes, this one in the top.
Find your common denominator?
Is to find the common denominator.
Yeah.
For everyone. So,
24.
actually to find the common denominator for these two, because they're together.
7x plus 2.
4 times x.
Oh, that.
So
4 times x plus 2
plus 21.
plus 21. And that equals 5/3. Now.
Wait, what?
Oh, got it.
Huh?
Be specific with your questions, otherwise I can't help you. What's the
Why is
question?
21?
What?
Because this one is missing a 7.
And that one is missing an x plus 2.
Ah.
Okay, because we're finding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I missed.
Yeah.
How did you?
Yeah.
Now, the easiest way I can think of is, you remember the term that I dislike but is pretty practical, cross multiply? So you've got 3 times all of this
Times 4x, 4 times x.
times 5 times 7 times x plus 2. And then it becomes a very simple equation, right?
That works.
Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
Are you lost? You look like you don't even know what's going on.
I got lost in the last.
This one?
Yeah.
Let me simplify it.
When it's dividing, and so you want to get rid of the division, you multiply it. But to multiply it, you need to move it to the opposite side.
That one has different methods.
But what? Then when you multiply, what happens?
Finish it. Just finish it. And it's going to give you the answer for it.
Are we good there?
Yeah.
Back.
No.
So I've got 4x in the top
So,
plus 29
So 3
over 7x plus 14.
So first
You
answer,
agree?
and then
And that equals 5/3.
yeah, same thing.
there's no.
This is dividing, so I'm going to multiply on the other side. This is dividing, so I'm going to multiply here. So I get 4x plus 29 times 3 equals 5 times 7x plus 14.
Oh.
And then you can go from there. Okay? We good there? Now, these. The first thing that you do with these is not to panic.
Oh, you can either choose like either of them to find x and y.
Okay, first things first. Do not, under any circumstances, panic. Okay? Since most of you would panic because you see fractions and decimals, and even worse, mixed together. Yes.
Multiply the first one by 35 and then the second one by 100.
Get rid of what bothers you and what scares you. Kill the monster.
Turn them into decimal.
Kill the monster. That way you get rid of that fraction. Kill the monster here by multiplying times 100.
Why?
And you're going to have,
Why?
Oh.
why? Just to take your panic away. It's like
I don't know.
It's like a placebo. We're getting rid of what scares you.
Why
Okay?
did you multiply it times 35?
Because
times 5.
They're common.
So what's
Oh,
gonna
got it.
so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get 3 times 35 divided by 7. I'm gonna do the whole long thing just so you understand what I'm doing. Okay, I'm not gonna skip any steps.
This is for you.
2 times 35 divided by 5y equals 11 times 35. And that gives me 35 divided, this is a 5. 35 divided by 5, this is a 7. And then I have 15x plus 14y.
Equals 385.
Thank you very much for that. So, my fear is gone because now I have big, nice, whole numbers.
Yes.
And with this one,
So now
3x.
I'm going to get 3x
Minus 21
minus 20y
equals negative 37.
negative 37. And now I can do what I've always done, which
Substitution
is
or
either substitution or elimination. Does somebody need me to go over either substitution or elimination?
No,
No, you're good? You know how?
We are good.
Perfect. Is it okay to get a fraction as an answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it okay to get a decimal?
Yes.
Yes.
So, we can relax, right? Is the fear gone? Good?
There's
Not
like
always
4 more.
you get decimals. So,
Not always do you get decimals,
This
yeah,
is so
and
long.
fractions.
but that's
Oh,
why you have to embrace
Yeah,
them when
because
you
you
get
have
them.
to do that
Because they're
to
so special.
simplify it.
Okay?
And
Now.
it's unnecessary.
Gotta do everything.
Guys, don't talk so much because it's all on the video and then Ian's gonna hear it all. Now,
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Ian.
radical equations, guys. What
Another
do
people
I
from
do
the internet.
with this?
Ah, that one.
She hasn't even drawn in it.
No, in the book, in the book.
Like what?
Whatever shall I do?
What is that name?
Oh no.
Simplify.
First move the
Oh.
-2 to the other side.
Good.
And leave the 1
Is that what
below.
Hugo was gonna say?
Yes. Maybe.
So it'll be equals 4.
Everybody good?
Yes.
Now,
To get rid of the.
hey, give some this. Raise to the. What I go to one side, I go to the other. So I've got
X minus 5 equals
X minus 5.
64. Leave X alone and boom.
That's easy.
and then you try it here to see if it
No,
works.
wait, no.
Oh.
69.
69.
It's not 59.
Oh, I get this one.
Ah, 69 minus 5 is 4, minus 2, 2. We're good. It works.
That
It works.
Okay.
Where the
How about this one? So you do remember. Cool.
X line.
S minus 48 plus, ooh, this one's a
Is that an
harder one.
I know.
is that an S or a 5?
I know.
It's an S.
Ooh.
Let's use X's because S's look like 5s.
I know.
Okay.
Multiply everything.
Let's see if somebody not Sunman can try it.
Sebastian.
Not loose.
We
Come on.
Do you?
We're waiting for Q. If we'll give Q her chance to shot.
X squared.
Huh? Do you square it
Square,
first?
yeah, because
All of it?
no,
Just
Nope. There's something we have to do first.
the little x you move it to the other
The little x. The little x.
The
square root of x.
little x. Yep.
The little x. Okay.
But why?
but wouldn't it be the same if you
Yes,
just
you
multiply
move it to
everything
the other side.
to one side?
And
It
then
will not
now
be.
you can know.
The reason, the question is, why will it not be the
There's a
same?
plus. No.
Because there's a plus, and that complicates it for you. Because if you put this here, then this one doesn't go away. Okay? So, if we do this, now we square, and here you have to be really careful. And you will understand why I didn't do it
Because
the
you have to
top.
multiply it.
X minus 48 goes away, that's easy.
Equals 64.
And this
minus
one's
X.
64,
Minus
Oh,
2, 69.
minus
X.
16
16,
square root of x plus
plus X.
Because you do the derivative.
x.
Because
that's
it's 8 minus
So we-
times
yeah,
8 minus
that's true.
Because it's twice.
Yeah, it's
Because
Twice
when we
eight.
have a plus b squared,
Yeah,
this
it's
is
equals
a
8
squared
times
plus
three.
2ab
I remember.
plus b
Yeah.
squared.
It's easy.
Okay? Do you remember that?
Yeah. it's
So,
easy, but it's
This
easy.
times 2, 2ab, is this. Or if you don't get that and you don't want to memorize that, then by all means go ahead and do a plus b times a plus b, which in this case, 8 minus square root of x times 8 minus square root of x. And you will arrive to
That's
this.
how I know.
Okay? Bye. And from here on, what do you have to do?
Just leave x's on one side and numbers on the other.
Leave the root by itself. That's the one we're interested in getting rid of. Everything else is easy. So, we do x minus 48
Roots.
minus 64 minus x
Equals negative.
equals negative 16 square root of x. This x goes with this x minus x is 0.
Yeah.
And then we have
Negative 48 minus 64.
negative
18.
180.
18.
Minus 112.
112.
Oh wait, no, that's
Negative
This-
16.
divided by negative 16
Yeah.
equals square root of x.
7 and 7 squared equals 49. X equals
This is
49.
49.
Yeah, no, that
Seven.
equals 7.
This equals 7.
Yeah.
Then you multiply.
And then equals
And
49.
then I square this both sides, so
49.
x
Equals 49.
equals 49.
Let's go to the next lesson. for some
Let's see if it works.
Oh wow, this one.
Formula.
Okay?
Ow.
Questions on the roots, on the radicals. How do you get rid of them? And
You finally get it.
There's one more
I'm gonna do one of these.
systems of three linear equations. This one's long. I hate this one.
This one you have to combine elimination with
Substitution.
substitution. My advice to you is always begin with elimination so that you get,
Oh,
and my other advice to you is name them and be really organized. So
A, B, and C.
A, B, and C,
Eliminate
and always
A and B.
and always say what you're doing. So eliminating, I want to eliminate
The first two. The first two.
the first two,
Yeah,
A and B.
that's the easiest one.
So I've got x plus, and please rewrite it again. I know it's long, but welcome to 10th grade math. 2x minus y, a plus
Calculator is not here.
It's fine.
minus z equals 1. Do I need to do this or do you got it? You know
You
what
got
to
it.
do.
You got it.
3x minus
We
1
did that last
plus
year.
Plus y
All these are
minus
equals
5.
5.
Yeah.
And
Oh, that's a one.
Y
No,
y equals 5
5
minus 3x. So you still have to keep
No,
going.
wait.
Substitute
Why
to,
5?
see?
4 plus
4
1.
plus 1 is 5.
No, but it's 0.
Oh my god, thank you.
Wait, but I have a question for, after you find that out, you can substitute it in any, right? A, B, or C.
Yes, although in this particular case, I see that if I add this one and this one, I get rid of the y and I have the x and the z. So I have everything in terms of x. I'll show you. It doesn't always work like that, but in this case it does. So
You can.
you can. So I would do now eliminating a plus
B.
no, that one already did. A and C. So I've got x plus 2y plus z equals 4. A 2x minus 2y plus z equals 1. Please check to see if I'm doing this right. This is 3x plus 2z equals
Then we
1.
can't do it.
Ah,
3,
Wait,
wait,
so
5.
3 equals 5.
equals 5. So now I have
Yes, you can't do it.
You can
It's
just
possible.
substitute.
I have
I know
2z
what
equals 5 minus
3x.
3x.
Ah, it's
Too
substitute
complicated.
both of them
C
in, wait, that's too complicated.
Z equals 5 minus 3x
Divided
divided by 2. So now I can substitute both of these into either of these. And
That's
everything,
harder.
because everything's in terms of x.
Not really.
But like I said, this is one of like 15 ways of doing this. So you do whatever you like, okay? Whatever makes you feel comfortable, as long as you keep getting rid of.
of them.
Your objective is to put everything in terms of
One.
one single variable. As long as you do that, which way you do it is
I
fine.
don't care.
Okay,
Oh, wait, is that
Peace.
it? Wait, you can't see it though.
peace. Peace.
Yeah, there you go.